But I went through man, that thing look good, bro. I ain't gonna lie, boy. Mm.
Hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat. Oh man. Okay. All right. Got trap jumping like fraud. 2, 2, 3, leaving ball head. Yeah, spray the whole block, leave it all red. Duck off spot, can't go fit.
Mad Mars car back with another one. Y'all know what I'm gonna pick the shot with it, man. Feel me? We was working on the LS swap bar. LS swap rig on the shunts. Yeah. LS swap rig on the shunts with the pillow top seats. I don't like rigging, bro. People like riggers. There you go. LS swap rig. LS swap bar. Now that thing gotta get dialed in. Bro said running how it's supposed to run. But they go back to it. That's why people understand, see, man, when it come to car, bro. You gotta do everything how it's supposed to be done, bro. Like, you can't be rushing to try to do this. Like, I know guys just throw rails and stuff in their car. People just throw rails and stuff in their car. The car ain't even running. Like, you know, so you do engine work, transmission work, you do all the brakes, you do all that type work first. Then you know what I'm saying, go with the car looking good or whatever, man. You gotta do all that stuff first. It said Camaro, bro. That thing keep. But now you gotta do all the work first, bro. Like, you can't just go start throwing digital dash and all this stuff in your car that ain't even running, bro. You feel me? You gotta do the job right, bro. Take your time, do it right the first time. You ain't gotta worry about going back and try to do nothing. You know what I'm saying? Do it right the first time, bro. You feel me? But my car, hold on, first thought this car. Yeah, let's walk. My car, still can't find the key. So bad, you'll probably do a whole nother edition. You know what I'm saying? Oh, man. You need to tell me that baby ain't clean, my boy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Now, see you trying to take the steering. Make the steering wheel out, man. He like, if you know them boats and that the rest. Oh, shit, man, 79. I had told him I had that problem when I was working on the car. When I first got it, like, little stuff I couldn't even get out, bro. I was like, tired. This thing so little stuff I couldn't even get out, bro. You hear me? Sevilla. Yeah. Shit going on, though. It's the color that the thing was inside. It was this color, y'all. Y'all see what's going on, though. Real already wired. Man, come on, man. You know, wired up for the wham. Y'all see somebody with they paint on they bought holler at me, man. Who's doctor? I don't think it's the same one, but man, I can't be God, but it's destroyer grade, my nigga. You feel me? Boost doctor did not, they ain't the same one. They were from Dodge itself. I got an argument with them folks. For real, to get their paint, y'all. To get their paint. I got an argument with Dodge, get their paint there free. You feel me? Yeah. But yeah, man, we gotta shoot. I'm like, shoot, you can't find a key. Damn, the car cover black. Leave my boy. That boy ain't talking about nothing anyway, man. The car cover, goddamn, car cover $100 ain't even waterproof, man. That bull. For real. Still need the car cover though, so. Some of our bills must be completed, man. Gotta go back here and show y'all the Camaro again. Put it in Puerto Rico. 4Gs. Black took the 4Gs out of the cutting. Young 4G, he about to do something crazy. You know my man, but I told y'all, man, this thing Puerto Rico, man. Like, what in the world? Ooh. What ain't going on in there? Man, I went through that whole, man, that thing look good, bro. I ain't gonna lie, boy. That boy got down with this. I won't leave no mine, boy. I won't leave no mine. 67, boy. With the cam engine got installed. The engine got everything did to it, basically. Thing got everything did to it, boy. Inside the car, it's immaculate like that. This project gonna be so nice when it's done. Man, I got to do where them tires. I can't say enough about the real of them tires back there. Man. Man, that thing is clean. Man, that thing clean. Bro. See, I like those valve covers, man. See, I want high-rise valve covers. Mine don't say shit, but they on those. See, those hard. Or it's just the car look good with it. Man, them hard. You know what I'm saying? I like them. I like those. Yeah, man. Y'all know I gotta still get my stripping on my door. Man, all around though. Man, that's crazy. I never noticed that though. Like, I'm talking about this right here, y'all. The digital dash ain't gonna have it. So I gotta figure out how to. Oh yeah, all this getting hit again too, y'all. So don't be roasting me in the comments. All this stuff getting redone, bro. So y'all don't be firing me up in the comments, bro. You feel me? See, still like, the column gotta get done too, like, coming around though, bro. Yeah. No ignition switch. Got the key now. We lady. You feel me? Digital on the way. Oh, I just realized. When I go digital, it ain't gonna have the grain on it like my stock one got. Yeah, man. This guy right here gonna be so crazy when I'm done, bro. Gonna put the SL bumper on there. You know the SL come one pipe, but I'm going double pipe. Need custom back bumper. Got to go double pipes. You feel me? Yes, sir. Blade coming around. And she's sitting up here clean right now. You feel me? Baby up here clean, man. You feel me? I ain't even got no flash on. No flash. You feel me?